Hello, thanks for being in a new video. This time I have an unboxing of the RedMagic Pro Plus Special Edition of Bumblebee, an exclusive collector's edition, so let's unbox it to see what's inside. For starters, let's see that around the box it has different designs to show off that it is a special edition. But how about you join me in opening the box, because inside it's obviously going to have more customization, accessories, and the device also comes customized. The box has a somewhat strange opening mechanism. It seems to have some level of magnetic absorption in order to finally reveal all of its contents. To start off, we're going to pull out this box where it's obviously going to have some additional content. It comes with this special customized Transformers key. The quick info sheets also come customized, and it comes with a special sleeve that just has the Autobots indicator in the corner. Next, we are going to find the smartphone, and it looks very nice and pretty. Surely if you are a Transformers or Bumblebee fan, you are going to really enjoy this cute design. The traditional Bumblebee yellow color is the protagonist of the back cover. It also has another indicator of the Autobots. Overall, the design is very nice, and that's how it looks with the holster on. I would have liked the yellow case better. 2 USB cables are included in the box, one for charging and one for connecting the fan. The charger also comes customized. I think it looks very nice and very attractive. It is a tremendous 165-watt charger. Also included in the box is a pin that you can put on your backpack or somewhere else as a badge that you have this special edition. And last but not least, there is the fan. This device is focused on gaming, so you can automatically stick the fan on the back to cool it even better and maintain a super smooth experience in all games. Also note that the gaming switch comes in the yellow shade. Notice that also the device comes customized with a Bumblebee theme with all the icons, and with this switch is that we can enter the special gaming mode. Let's power this fan plugged into the external charger, and notice how it also includes lights. These lights vary in color as every gamer needs. Through the settings, we can change some other things about this fan, like giving it as much cooling as possible, or we can turn it down. There, it depends on how cool you want it to be. I'm gonna set it as cool as possible to see how far the temperature of this device drops. We could also change the lighting effect and the colors that we have on the back. And finally, it's also capable of receiving software updates. The fan has been on the back of the cell phone for about 3 minutes, and we're going to measure how cool it is. Let's see. It's simply removed magnetically, and watch, it's 13 degrees Celsius on this back cover. It's very cool. Amazing how this fan manages to cool this much. So for hardcore gamers, it's gonna give you a totally brutal performance if you use this fan. In fact, this is the RedMagic Heatsink 4 Pro, but in a special Bumblebee edition. However, you could get to purchase this fan individually as well, so it's a completely useful accessory for even the most hardcore gaming fans. Remember that I have full review available of the RedMagic 9 Pro in case you want to know the proposals of this manufacturer. For the moment, this has been all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can let me know, and we'll see you next time.